Hey, what's up everybody? We're here. What's the name of the island at? Yeah.
We're here at Calicoan Island, La Luna Beach Resort.
Yes, we've been here a couple of nights now.
Yes.
Absolutely love this place. It just feels like home, right?
Yes.
Real cool
Right.
accommodations.
Yeah.
I think 2,300 pesos a night. Yeah,
With
so
free-
not, huh?
With free breakfast.
Yeah, so here at this resort and really dig it. So we thought we'd just give you a quick resort tour, a quick room tour, and kind of talk about it. So yeah, you can see here the room's really kind of small, but not bad. Decent air conditioner. Here's the bathroom. A little sandy. You can tell we've been there for a little bit. No hot water in the shower, but honestly, it wasn't too bad. It was a little bit cold.
Yeah.
Right?
It's really cool.
All right, let's go out and show them the resort. So real quick, guys, I don't know if this will be a couple of videos or one video, just because we got so much to show you. Yeah, leaving true here, a little outside patio, which is nice. We actually sat out here for a little bit with our breakfast. But yeah, really a lot to show you. We got a cave we're about ready to do.
Yes, the Linao Cave.
The Linao Cave, yeah, right outside here. And then we're gonna ride up to the next town. I can't remember, what's the name of that town?
Borongan.
Yeah, we'll put the name up too. But yeah, it's just right up to a couple
It's
hour
a bigger-
road. And we got a bunch of stops along the way. So there's really a lot to show you. If I can cram it into all one video, I will, but it might be 2 videos. But here, we'll just show you around this property real quick. Here's
This is
one of
the
the
first
pools.
pool.
Yeah, one of the pools here.
Yes.
Yeah, not bad.
We hang out here.
Did you swim in the pool?
No.
Yeah,
the
we
other
didn't swim in
pool.
this one. Yeah, right? But we did
Because-
hang out in the
Cabana.
little cabana here and got power in here. So
It's too hot yesterday. So.
yeah, it was a little warm yesterday.
Yeah.
All right, let's go down. We'll show you guys, keep showing you the resort here. Just really dig this place. And a lot of what we both liked about it is just how friendly the staff and the
Yes,
owners are.
The owner. And
Yeah,
stuff.
just really like makes you feel like home.
Yeah.
Check out
Also
over here to the right.
birds.
You got all the birds and
Fish.
some fish ponds down there. Yeah, really cool. I got a bunch of birds all throughout here. And then inside, this is the lobby area in here, a bunch of fish tanks and stuff. The owners are all running around because they've got big parties coming in, but they're just so cool.
She's so busy with
The guys
one.
from Italy, so
Yeah.
the food here is so good. That's one of the things we just really were talking about. The food can be a little bit hit or miss, but we really love the food. They got an outside garden area through here. We said, hey, good morning. This is the outside area here where we sat and had breakfast and a couple of meals out here. This place is just huge. I would suspect they probably have, I don't know, 10 or so rooms. Yeah.
Probably.
Yeah. All right. So show you here the gardens, a big fish pond here.
Yeah. The vibe here is really home.
Isn't it? Yeah,
Yeah.
it's just a really cool, chill vibe. And then here's the main road, kind of runs through town. And then here is the beach, and they got a little restaurant beach area out here. And we've been chilling here for a couple of days. Yeah, check out this pool. They're cleaning it now. But yeah, check out this view, guys.
Ooh.
I mean, come on. Isn't this amazing?
High
Really
tide.
cool view here. Yeah, the high tide.
Yes.
Cleaning out the pool now. So we spent most of yesterday there chilling in
Yeah.
the pool.
They're cleaning. Every morning they're cleaning.
Yeah. And then water's right down here. You're right, high tide. We just chilled in these cabanas down here. So yeah, really cool, right? And it's kind of sad to leave.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're actually both a little bit sick.
Yes.
I caught a bug coming back from the United States and I gave it to her. So we're both a little bit on the ill side.
You're good in sharing.
Right, I'm good at sharing.
The
Too
sunset
fun.
there is really nice too.
Yeah, man. So we've got the drone up. We've got some drone footage we'll put along the way too, if I haven't already. And yeah, it's just been a good time. We're on to the next stop now. A couple hour ride up into the north. But our first and very next stop is going to be the cave.
Yes.
So don't know much about this cave. It's just right nearby. It's maybe 3 minutes away.
Yeah.
Good sized cave. So we're going to go there and we'll be right back with that. All right, guys, we are trying to find this cave. Oh my gosh. We went down this one road. I'll put a picture of it. I took the picture in front. There's absolutely no signage. So, and we're getting Filipino directions. But I mean, look at this, right? It's just really, you should see the last road we were on. It's total single track, all kinds of roots and rocks but yeah, we're really trying to find it here. I don't know, we're going right. It looks like the bigger road for sure. Saw a big freaking millipede or centipede. I didn't drop anything out of my, I heard something fall. Anyways, yeah, we're struggling a little bit to find this place, and I don't know if we're gonna find it or not. We're short on time too, because of we got to get on the road to head north. So it might we might not be able to show you the cave. But yeah, look at this man. We're doing some serious, you know, the ADV is definitely a capable machine. So yeah, I don't know, man. What do you think, Di? I think we're at a dead end here. All right, guys. So much for the cave, I think. We're gonna head back to the hotel, and we're gonna get cleaned up and then get on the road to our next destination. So we'll be right back. What a trip, huh, babe? Hey guys, just wanted to shoot this entrance really quick. So here's what you got. You do have a little bit of signage here that supposedly points to the cave, and that is the road we went down right through there. But I mean, that goes nowhere. That's a hiking trail down through there. There is a sign kind of on the ground right here, which looks like in Google Images, the green sign for the entrance to the cave, but there's only one road down through here, and we traveled through it. It didn't take us anywhere. You could see a little bit down here, right there. There's the flags. We also tried that road down there to see if we can get it, but the same thing. It ended in super single track, which was actually really fun on the ADV. So yeah, I just wanted to shoot this entrance here a little bit just because it's so hard to find. If anyone knows how to find the, Linao Cave, yeah, feel free to put in the comments, where's it at? We failed, and we just kind of ran out of time to find it. So anyways, guys, we're gonna head back to the hotel. We're gonna get cleaned up, and then we're gonna head up north. Got a couple hour ride, so we'll catch you back on the road. All right, so we actually drove down about, I don't even know, maybe not quite 100 yards, and found welcome to the cave and lagoon. So we found it. Just to be clear, here's the signs that you want to look for, right? It's right off the road. I mean, here we are, right off the road. If you want to see it, you got the flags and stuff. When we looked at Google Images, kind of when we were looking at this destination, though, this sign didn't show up. So just as a heads up, if you're looking for it, here's where it is. And I'll see if I can actually mark it on the map too and put a link in the video description. But yeah, here we're at the cave, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, yeah, we found it. What an adventure that was. And now got the guide, we're hiking back. Hey Di, how much was the tour?
325 for the entrance.
300, so 325, 300 for the guide, and then 25 for the entrance fees. Okay, cool, yeah. So we're on a little bit of a hike down. So what a trip that was, trying to ride over to the cave. We did some serious off-road, and that ADV, man, what a capable bike though. Man, that was incredible. Just riding through this stuff. Saw that big millipede or centipede. That was cool. All right, guys, we'll be right back with the cave. We're deep in the jungle. Oh my gosh, what a hike this is, so cool. Yeah, it's actually been really cool being out in the deep jungle out here, in the deep forest, so yeah, check this out. It's understandable why they get the amount of rain that they do, right? Everything's so green. Really cool. All right, guys, we are in the cave, and it is absolutely incredible. A little bit of a hike to get down here. And honestly, the scooter, we were on the right path, but look around. I mean, just amazing. This cave, yeah, it opens up to the top up here. A little bit of a trek down through a little bit of a, you can see behind me here a little bit of the cave, but really kind of cool, really worth it. You definitely need a guide to come through, to show you through. One, they have it locked up, so you can't really get in. But yeah, really beautiful, really worth the trip. Gorgeous, gorgeous time. The water feels super refreshing. So we'll be back in a little bit. Okay guys, we are on the road. Man, what a time that was caving. Whew, a little bit hard to find, right? Like I was shared about earlier, but definitely worth it. For sure worth it. Really cool cave in there. Definitely, you have to hire a guide because they hike you all the way back and it's actually locked up. So no getting out there without a guide. But good times. Now we are on the road. We got a 3-hour ride up north to the city. I'll put the name of the city as usual. These cities are hard for me to pronounce. Lots of O's, lots of vowels, more vowels than consonants. But real quick, as we're leaving here, I wanted to show you guys a little bit about really what this area is known for. And it is a surf village. So kind of up here on the right is going to be the surf camp. And probably a bunch of surfers, middle of the day, I'm not sure. I think the tide is a little bit higher, which from what I was understanding makes it good for surfing. But up here in just a moment is the surf camp up here. So you get lessons up here. My buddy Kevin, he got some lessons. Shout out to you, Kev. And it was 500 pesos for an hour of private surf lessons, including the board. Super incredible value, right? It's so cheap. I've never gotten surf lessons before, but I would imagine in the United States, 500 pesos, which is what, whatever, 10 bucks or so. I don't even think that'll cover the wax, right? So anyways, up here in just a second is the surf camp. So I'll show you guys that here in a second. All right, guys, here we are. We are up at the surf camp here. It's over here to the right now, and you can see it. We'll slow down. The camera probably won't go out that far. Yeah, and there is nobody surfing. There's really not a lot of waves here. But this whole area is a really big, popular surf spot. And pretty cool, man. Yeah, check it out here. We'll stop at the surfboard here for just a second. Yeah, really cool. We stopped and asked some locals. Right here to the left is where they offer the surf lessons. And then, yeah, you can go in there and get your surf thing. And then he was saying every September, October, they do a big surf competition. So I would imagine this kind of gets rolling around then. But yeah, you can see out here, man, that water is so clear. Yeah, it's like glass, even with the little surf. But yeah, no one's out surfing now. But I'll put in some footage from an earlier video that I shot where, yeah, there was, what, maybe 10 or so people out there just kind of chilling in the wave. So, all right, we're gonna get on the road here. We got a 3-hour ride. We got about an hour and a half ride to our first stop, which is just gonna be some scenic overlooks here. Look, my understanding is Eastern Samar is pretty spectacular. So excited about this trip that we're doing right now. And yeah, a little more surf popping through here. Yeah, really excited about this trip we got. We're gonna shoot as much as we can along the way. This might be a little bit longer video just because of everything we crammed in this morning with the cave and stuff, but hang in there because we've got some stuff to show you. So be right back. Hey, all right, guys, I know, look at us, right? This is a sun coat. This is what a sun coat does, guys. And, you know, kind of where we're at right now, I highly recommend it. Look at this view up here, guys. Absolutely breathtaking all around us, but it is sunny. So, yeah, just gorgeous out here. Check this out over here. Surf kind of rolling in down in here. Absolutely epic. Really beautiful. Do you remember the name of this place we're at, girl?
Calicoan Nature Park?
Yeah, so we'll put it up on the map too. Yes. We're about just an hour outside of where we're at, the destination at the Luna Hotel.
Yeah.
And just an hour north up. The ride so far has been, whatever, hasn't been too bad. Little scenic spots here and there. Really easy road. Honestly, the road conditions so far have been nice.
Yeah.
No issues at all.
No
So,
issues.
all right, guys, we're gonna wander around here just for a little bit, and we'll put up some more stuff as we see it. But really beautiful here from the nature park. 20 pesos each to get in.
Yes.
Yeah, 20 pesos each to get in. So we'll be right back. All right, we made it to the hotel, guys. Oh my gosh, what a day, what a ride. I am wore out. I am so tired. We'll show you the hotel room in just a second, but I thought we'd just do a quick ride recap of the road. So we were in the little southern part of Leyte. What's the name of that small island?
The Calicoan
Yes.
Island.
I'll put the name of it too up. So we were started in the southern part, and then we rode up to the city that we're in now,
Borongan.
Yeah, I struggle with these names as usual. Borongan City. So it was about a couple hour ride up. Made some stops along the way, obviously. Really cool nature park there. Really cool seashore. It's not, and the ride itself wasn't too bad, right?
Yeah, but the Hernani to here is really good.
Yeah, really beautiful, right? Some scenic spots.
Yeah,
not too bad. The road conditions, though, were phenomenal.
Yes.
Both of our concerns were the road conditions, and we have not. I mean, probably better conditions than Leyte in some ways. Brand new roads, so that was nice. So, all right, we're in town here for a couple of days. We got a bunch of trips that we're going to do throughout here. We're looking at some islands that are right off the coast here that we might do. So, anyways, more to come on that. We'll end this video now. We'll give you a quick room tour of where we're at. What's the name of this? Rawis?
Rawis Resort Hotel and Borongan City.
Yeah. So we'll put the name of that up too, kind of where we're at. And then it was what, 2,300 a night?
Yes.
Yeah, with breakfast. So we went ahead and just booked for 2 nights because we're tired. We're wore out.
Yeah.
We got a shower and all that, and dropped off some laundry and stuff. But we're got boy, as they say here. But yeah, here's the room really quick. Looks pretty good. Here's the bathroom in here. It's got a nice hot water heater, which we both took a shower earlier, so we needed it after that ride.
Yes, they have cabinets here.
Yeah, we got everything packed away, and we pretty much moved in, man. We're ready. All right, guys, really appreciate everyone watching. Check out the Patreon page if you're not already checking that out. Check out the affiliate links and everything there. It's a great way to help kind of keep this stuff going, keep the trips alive. So, Ampin, ayo, and feed the good wolf. Okay, Dai. Salamat.